Yeah, I'm very excited that I now have my FINRA license and I'm now able to provide advisory guidance to my clients on a legal compliant basis. Before I had a broker license, which is a real estate broker license, but it's different than having a FINRA license when you're selling securities. So now my customers have the benefit of the CEO of the company who's helping to create the content that's coming to our platform, knowing exactly what the touch points of benefits are for the projects we're bringing on board, but even be able to articulate that to meet the needs of our institutional clients or our family office clients, knowing exactly what they're looking for, and either we have it right now that we can provide, or when it comes into our shop and we get approved, we can now bring them those types of opportunities. So I think it saves a lot of time for these institutional investors or family office investors from having to fly around the country looking for something. It's better if we can just shovel these properties directly to them, and we're curating these properties, like I said before, in a manner that is highly vetted. So I think that's a significant advantage, competitive advantage over other companies that are selling tokenized instruments who don't really have a lot of in-depth knowledge or experience on commercial real estate, and therefore can't meet the needs of the client. They can just tell you to go to the marketplace and pick what you're looking for and browse on your own. But I think having a personal concierge with 20 years experience in capital markets is a better solution for some of our high-end clients. So that's why you should come to RedSwan, contact myself or any one of our broker-dealer staffs, and we'll have this kind of knowledge for you to save you a lot of time, but also provide you with high-quality institutional products.